वैशाली सातपुते. Again welcome to Sham Shakti Vidya Niketan English Medium School Malad online classes. Students, our 5th standard subject areas and we learned in previous lecture exercise of our first chapter, our Earth and our solar system. So in this lecture we have to solve exercise of our second chapter, motions of the Earth. So you see questions in your textbook. I will tell you answers. So students, see here exercise and our first question is what's the solution? Means here one thing is given and we have to sort out this thing. Okay, Amit wants to take his granny to Australia. Means Amit wants his granny to Australia, which is in southern hemisphere. Where is Australia? Australia is in the southern hemisphere, but she cannot bear very cold weather. Means Amit's granny cannot bear very cold weather. When should they make this trip? So see answer. Australia is located in southern hemisphere. Means where is Australia? Australia is in the southern hemisphere. During the time period of 23rd September to 22nd March, there is summer. So Amit's granny could be taken to Australia during this period, because during the period of 22nd March to 23rd September there is winter. So she should avoid going to Australia as she cannot bear the cold weather. Now students, question number 2. Use your brain power. Students, for this question you have to use your brain power. Sub question A. How many rotations does the earth complete during one revolution around the sun? See answer. The earth takes one complete rotation in one day. It takes complete 365 days and 1/4 day for one complete rotation. This means that in one revolution the earth shows 365 and 1/4 rotation. Then sub question B. It is sunrise at Itanagar in Arunachal Pradesh. Write the names of the following cities in the order in which the sun will rise there. Given Mumbai, which is in Maharashtra, Kolkata, which is in West Bengal, then Bhopal, which is in Madhya Pradesh, and last one is Nagpur, which is in Maharashtra. So see answer. We learned that student already. The earth rotates from which direction to which? West to east. Therefore there would be sunrise in the eastern states earlier. Later gradually the sunrise can be seen from western states of India. The order in which the sunrise would be seen is as follows. First one, Itanagar in Arunachal Pradesh, Kolkata, then Bhopal, which is in Madhya Pradesh, Nagpur, which is in Maharashtra, and last one Mumbai, which is in again Maharashtra. Then students, question number 3. Fill in the blanks. A. The motion of the earth around itself is called what? Rotation. The motion of the earth around itself is called rotation. Then B. The motion of the earth around the sun is called what? Revolution. The motion of the earth around the sun is called revolution. And last one is the rotation of the earth give rise to days and nights. The rotation of the earth give rise to day and night. Then students, question number 4. What is meant by each of the following? Means here we have to write definitions. What is meant by each of the following? A. Full moon. We learn what is mean of full moon. When the complete and round moon is seen in the sky, it is called or it is known as full moon. When the complete and round moon is seen in the sky, it is known as full moon. Then next, new moon. What is mean of new moon? When the moon is not visible in the sky, it is known as the new moon. When the moon is not visible in the sky, it is known as new moon. Then C. Lunar month. What is mean of lunar month? The period of 28 days to 30 days from one new moon day to next new moon day is called lunar month. Again listen, the period of 28 days to 30 days from one new moon day to the next new moon day is called a lunar month. And D. Tithi. What is mean of Tithi? Every day in the lunar month is called Tithi. Every day in the lunar month is called Tithi. Then students, question number 5, last question of this exercise. Answer the following questions. Question 5, answer the following questions. 1. What is the equator? Means here we have to write definition of equator. What is mean of equator? An imaginary circle present between the north and the south pole is called the equator. An imaginary circle present between the north and the south pole is called equator. Then second question. What are the two parts of the earth made by equator? What are the two parts of earth made by equator? Students will learn that equator make two parts of the earth, but which parts? Okay, listen. The northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere are the two parts of the earth made by the equator. Again listen, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere are the two parts of the earth made by equator. Do you understand, students, all these questions and answers? Okay, you have to write all these questions and answers of this exercise in your notebook and also recite these questions and answers. So, in next lecture, we will solve our next exercise of the third number chapter, the earth and its living world. Okay, thank you.